AION, the new flagship masterpiece from Oknife, born from the sharp insights of renowned Polish knife designer Ostap Hel, who redefines the folding knife's form and function with minimalism and precision engineering. AION, engineered for daily carry, crafted for collection, has sleek geometry where minimalist lines meet perfect ergonomics. Nitro V M390 high-performance steel blades, which are sharp and durable, flipper deployment with smooth and secure liner lock, and reversible pocket clip, which is ambidextrous and versatile for daily carry. Every design choice follows user logic. Crafted from robust OAL-Ti ZR material, the handle offers a secure grip with premium texture. AION shares the same origin as the Arkfeld Ultra flashlight with matching texture for a natural pairing. The AION X Arkfeld Ultra Flying Tiger Set, a 500-piece globally limited release featuring precision laser-engraved shark skin patterning, exclusively available during the Kickstarter crowdfunding period. The knife and light pairing has never been this unified.
AION stands for the Arkfeld-inspired OAL novel. That's why I choose this modern short name to create even more matching set for you.
AION, a folding knife where precision, elegance, and purpose unite.